In English spoken classes 24/7, I teach you how to make sentences, and if you don't know about the sentence making process, you won't be able to speak this beautiful language. This is the simplest language in the world. Yes guys, in this beautiful language English, we have 26 alphabets only. With the help of these 26 alphabets, we make words. And with the help of words, we make sentences. No, it's not true. With the help of words, we also make phrases, we also make clauses. So if you want to sharpen your English, then you should know about the phrases and clauses. So what is phrase? What is clause? What is the difference between a phrase and a clause? This is the thing which I am going to teach you in today's class. सही से सुने, ठीक से बैठें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें so that they also come to know. Yes guys, with the help of words, we can make phrases. With the help of words, we can make clauses. So what is the difference between a clause and what is the difference between a phrase? So phrase is a group of words having no subject verb combination at all. No. अगर मैं बोलता हूं, आपसे मैं पूछता हूं, आपका पेन कहाँ है? If you say in my pocket, on the table, inside my book, this is a phrase because जब आपने बोला inside my book, on the table, in my pocket, there is no subject verb combination. बट जब आप कंप्लीट बोलते हो, आप बोलते हो माई पेन इज इन साइड द बुक, माई पेन इज इन माई पॉकेट, माई पेन इज ऑन द टेबल. दिस इज अ क्लाउज. It means clause is a group of words having subject verb combination at all. If you don't have any subject verb combination, that would be a phrase only, that won't be your clause, that won't be your sentence. But if you have a subject verb combination, it means you have a clause. But it is not necessary कि हर एक clause आपका sentence ही होता है. No. Every clause is not a sentence. We have two types of clauses, dependent clause and independent clause. So if you have an independent clause or a combination of dependent plus independent, then you can say you have a sentence. Yes guys, for the sentence making process, we have three important elements: subject of the sentence, verb in a sentence, and object of the sentence, which is optional. इसमें मैंने optional क्यों बोला? Because if the verb is intransitive, we need object. If verb is intransitive, there is no need of object. अब verb transitive कब होती हैं, verb intransitive कब होती हैं, verb को object की requirement कब पड़ती है, and when verb doesn't require any object. ये सब जानने के लिए आप मुझे comment section में लिखिए. Definitely I'll also make a video on the transitive and intransitive verb. Listen to me guys. If you don't know about the uses of verb, and if you don't know how to change a verb, it means you don't know about the tenses, you don't know about the sense of time. And if you don't know about the sense of time, listen to me guys, you won't be able to speak in English. Yes, in Hindi we say मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. English we say I go to school. In English we say I went to school in the past sense of time. In English we say I'll go to school tomorrow. So we have three senses of time, and according to the sense of time we use verbs. I go to park, go is a verb. I went to park, went is a verb. I'll go to park, will go is also a verb. But verbs can be changed in respect of time. I go to school every day. मैं हर रोज स्कूल जाता हूँ. I went to school yesterday. मैं कल स्कूल गया. I'll go to school tomorrow. मैं कल स्कूल जाऊँगा. So according to the sense of time, you need to use your action word. Yes, action word is a verb. Yes guys, we have noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunctions, interjunctions. These are the 8 parts of speech, and we can change only verbs in respect of time. So if you want to learn English, you should learn about the uses of verb, about the regular verb, about irregular verb, about transitive verb, about intransitive verb, about finite verbs, about non-finite verbs. ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में भी सीखना चाहिए, बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट नो अबाउट द ऑब्जेक्ट यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू मेक द पैसिव सेंटेंसेज. यस, यू शुड नो अबाउट द डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, indirect object. You should know about also the subject, about the subjective pronoun, about the objective pronoun, about the singular, about the plural. So these are some set of rules, and this is known as a grammar. So you should know, you should learn about the set of rules so that you can make correct sentences. सेंटेंस बनाने चाहिए, बट सही बनाने चाहिए. So in these classes I teach you how to make correct sentence with the step-by-step method. So always be on time in your classes. Watch these videos, share with your friends, and have fun. Have a great day. Thank you so much.